It's only two of us. Like, hey, get up. Come use your phone. Get up. Get up. Get up.
Antoine.
Hmm? You want me to bring back bike? No more? Okay,
That shit is bad for you now.
Prep time's over. Now you deploy to the war zone. Survive to redeploy for your teammates.
Okay, war control.
you come. I'm not
Can I
pulling
get an
back.
A, man?
Let's listen.
War control. A, man. Can I get an A, man? I'm finna kill this purple skin. A, man. Oh, we got an A, man. Busting. Right here through the door.
Okay.
I down one.
Remain in
Who's
operation
on
on that squad. Hunt them down. Enemy soldier incoming. Destroyed. Use your tac map to hunt down the rest. You've got 10 squads active in the field.
I think it's so useless, bro.
EOT for A, man. Team useful. Hey, man.
Not up there, muddy.
Shake it off.
Meet me. Yeah,
Hey,
oh,
bro,
bro, you thank you for the follow too, man. Thank you for the follow, man. I
hey,
appreciate
be
you,
with,
man.
hey,
Oh,
be
yeah.
with me, what's up with it?
Hij vaart toen niet kom.
Enemy dropping into the AO. Playtime's over. Stand by for deployment to the war zone.
Get up. Get up. Get up.
Resurgence. Survive and your team can redeploy. Eliminate
Allah better Allah.
We've got 10 squads active in the field. You're getting another chance. Weapons free. Your squad mate is redeployed. Well done. All drones neutralized. That's what I like to see. Enemy dropping into the AO. Get ready. Redeploy.
Oh, scared me.
Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy counter UAV inbound. Enemy counter UAV inbound. All squad made it to the safe zone. Gas is closing in. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Your squad mate's back on station. Good work.
They're in grandma. There's a whole team in grandma's house.
Hostile UAV in the area. Enemy UAV online. Just got loadout drop inbound. Enemy sentry in the AO. Precision airstrike standing by. Hostile airstrike incoming. We're returning you to the front. Earn this. Loadout drop headed your way.
Yeah. Haha. Haha, miss me.
Enemy UAV
Haha,
overhead.
miss me. If you chase me, I'm gonna take you to my team. And he chased me for real.
Time to engine. You're redeploying.
That's what they is. That's why I was.
Enemy UAV is online. Confirmed. Never mind. Hostile UAV in the area. All squad mates are in the safe zone. You're losing ground. Move it. Enemy UAV overhead. Oh, fucking dead. Enemy UAV is online. Enemy airstrike in the area. Hostile UAV in the area. Enemy UAV inbound. Biofile is active. Buy station prices are reduced. Contract's worth more than usual, so get it done, soldier. Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy counter UAV inbound. Eyes on enemy. Resurgence is about to end. Make it count. Additional target added while time remains.
Hey, who the fuck is Gurn? Bob, pull it. He be playing by himself.
Damn, they beat both of Saturday.
We got our whole fucking team with us.
Gas is inbound.
Damn right you got the whole team. What you talking about? Pull up, bro. We heard you're on top. Alright, let's go kill him, bro. He's on top. There's two. There's two. There's two. Big. You suck ass motherfucker. Suck ass motherfucker. Yeah, get out of here, suckers. Get out of here, suckers.
Your squad mate is redeploying. Well done. Be advised, resurgence is no longer active.
Somebody's on us.
Load up now. Opportunity here. Don't miss your shots.
Get down, get down. Gonger, gonger. Really stupid ass.
They still in the same fucking spot.
Why the fuck I keep switching my? How the fuck I keep switching my gun? Where the fuck my gun go? This shit gonna blow me.
Gas is moving.
Fuck it, I'll take this one in. Not good. You got my gun, don't you? There's another one downstairs. He upstairs, Jimmy. Ooh.
Oh, I'm convinced. I'm convinced, bro. The nigga stop running.
Yeah, I'm too fast for you, little boy.
No.
Thank God this shit is.
Bobby.
Enemy sentry is active.
One kid, this nigga right here.
He wants out.
There's an increased payout for this job. Be sure to collect.
running.
Dumbass.
We tried it. On me, on me, on me, on me, on me.
Somebody get the reds, right?
Oh, you fucker.
Made it to the safe zone.
He's on me, right here, right here. He's on the buy station. No.
The top five.
Watch out, fat.
Oh no, bro.
Damn, we was putting in pain. I had to fucking reload.
Hey. El duque Givel. Me Givella.
Mình loญี่ปุ่น
แม่นเดี๋ยวกินกับน้ำผึ้งด้วยค่ะ
กินโคเป็นน้ำมึงยังทำละท่าไปทำเลยแล้วกินก่อยแซ่บ
หวานหอม
นะ
ญี่ปุ่น
mình loญี่ปุ่น
แม่นเดี๋ยวกินกับน้ำผึ้งด้วยค่ะ
โคเป็นน้ำมึง
เ
Aku sengaja.
All stations, this is Shadow 01. Deployment to the war zone has been authorized.
Just what she wanted. Trophy. Is it the right color?
This shit, Nick.
Resurgence. Stay alive to keep the squad in the fight.
Loma.
Turret operator.
Enemy UAV overhead. We've got 10 squads active in the field. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
No puedo subir, no puedo. Si subo, el no me va a matar a mí.
The enemy took that one, but we'll get them back.
Mustard. Eat some mustard and biscuit. Mustard on my tater tots.
Search and destroy.
You fucking 1-4.
Destroy the objective.
Hey, never mind. It doesn't spawn me fucking in. I'm so stupid, bro.
Not much time left. Put this to bed. Bomb plant in progress.
Man out here taking back shots, that's crazy.
Take it on the chin. Get ready for the next round.
Oh yeah. Can I get an oh yeah, everybody? Even the other opposing team? Oh.
Yeah, the Glock, the sweet everything. He just putting you up against that bomb. That's crazy.
When you don't make noise.
You fucking creeper. Don't watch what I do to him.
Hardcore search and destroy.
Guys, we got one round. I believe in all of you. We got
Force has been
this.
approved.
Like a grenade. There's one more left side.
No, get out. Get out. That girl always complain about something. Get out. That's not your problem. Get out. Get out. Green car. Get out. Come on, get your stuff. Evan, no. Get out. Get out. I told you about all the time. Get out. Get your stuff. Put your shoes on. Put your shoes on. Put your shoes on. Go. Get out. Get out.
I'm fine, man. Bom. Guys.
This everyone week pala
Sir. Một cái vị gạch về nhà sát cây màu cái cờ bê cũng chỉ cái là cái về nó rồi là.
Nine fight ngayon.
Yeah.
Para sa tough. Isang snipe Lenui.
Just my little.
You used to do.
Who we here with today? Jack Doherty. Jack Doherty, nice to meet you, bro. What would you say like?
Could turn on the lights, Jason.
Who we here with today? Jack Doherty, nice to meet you, bro. What would you say like the best day of your life was?
Ping pong.
All stations, this is Shadow 01. Deployment to the war zone is
Ping pong.
authorized.
Ping pong. Sim pong. Ay, sim pong. Bác mình sẽ bén.
We've got 10 squads active in the field.
Martin. Okay. Drop money, nga pa yawit mo. Kipayang. Loses.
Remaining operators from that
You drop
squad.
money, shouldn't
Hunt
I?
them down.
Timbang lola. Timbang pakai payung. Tekan lang. Tekan lang berada.
Ngayon long game kau क्या पे लगी है वो
Wait.
ngayon nagdash dash ko alam mo bang bang bang
Yeah.
You have reinforcements inbound. Loadout drop headed your way.
Cepatin yang tahu.
Your squad made it to the safe zone. You're losing ground. Keep them. We've located the rest of them.
Waypoint marked.
Ano ang dawan?
Your squad mates back.
Okay, bagay.
It's hard that time. Dust yourself off, recharge, and get back out there.
Rimanere, non è malduppe.
Moreno, ¿tú vives en Los Ángeles?
No, yo aquí en Dallas.
Ah, en Dallas.
Real thing incoming. All stations, green light. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Resurgence. Survive and your team can redeploy. Eliminate targets to bring them back.
잠시 안 되었잖아 와이.
Enemy soldier incoming. Supply box UAV heading your way.
Patene 같은.
Ghê vật lan kia có lột.
Yeah, man.
moving into the area. Watch the skies. All stations, we are green to go. Stand by for deployment. We've got 10 squads active.
Das ist gerade mal so. Was gibt's da für Spiele? Gibt da die Stadt?
Ja.
Lấy aspect ni là phong trò bờ quân gì?
Nè.
Clean them up.
Chẳng có mình sao?
Pulling it out in the violence. Violet, gang, never know you can win Violet.
Cái mỏ lo tao đi.
Excellent work. Your squad mate is redeployed. Well done. Hostile UAV in the area. Enemy UAV is online. Squad mate back on station. Into the AO. Destroyed. Use your tac map to hunt down the
Yeah, what nine?
any contracts you find and divert those payments. Keep your eyes open for prize contracts. You'll earn more bucks for your bang. Enemy soldier incoming. Hostile airstrike incoming.
Không chín số baru.
Wala lang ko.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Yeah, wala niya na wala.
계속 가 있어.
Nick, fuck you guys. I swear to God. They're surrounding the stairs.
Go get your revenge. Your squad mates redeployed. Well done.
Iya masih. Lo tahu sih nggak uji bang. Karena ini masih dengnya.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Ribet berarti.
Buy station prices have been reduced. Target down. Marking the rest.
Zero, zero.
24 enemies active. Kill them. You've got a loadout drop inbound. Resurgence is about to end. Make it count.
Hostile shooting.
You have reinforcements inbound. All squad mates are in the safe zone. You've got gas moving in. Enemy airstrike in the area. Your squad mates back on station.
Hả? Ui.
Enemy UAV
Đúng rồi.
hostile UAV.
Đúng rồi.
Fire sales
Ủa mẹ, đâu có đi vô mới.
Esto, lang, tío. Không đâu. Thank you. So much, bro. Show me them, show me them.
Enemy dropping into the AR. Enemy precision airstrike. Find cover.
Dico, wala ni siya. What is that? That's a kill streak. I think Kian kill streak siya tadi. Maria Leo. Damn, this one. Yeah. Okay. Hey, no way, boy. Nice. Alright, I'll take it. Mais c'est pas une guerre, bah, moi, je vais aller.
Resurgence has been deactivated. This is the end game. Gas is inbound. Enemy UAV overhead.
Rail dày lớn.
Hostile UAV in the area.
Này ta đi.
Một rail dày lớn.
Này đang nằm ở safe. Yes, the freaky.
Đó nó quay kì.
Tekken chuột trên cô về.
I'm gonna talk hella shit about one.
T-Wig.
Rucker, you're headed to the war zone. Prep time's over. Now you deploy to the war zone. Resurgence. Survive and your team can redeploy. Eliminate targets to bring them back faster.
Nós vamos ter só um estado de percorta. Nós vamos ter que power up. Tem. Ruffles!
Fish card.
Não entendi. Entendi. Off my promo.
Go get after it.
Entendi.
Sao lông là mẹ dùm ra kìa.
Đúng là dùng sức khỏi ra.
Loadout drop headed your way. TACOM, I need eyes overhead.
Nhớ mình.
Ôi lần.
Muốn tao xin chết.
Kìa.
Không không.
Brad. Bông đi chơi. Cái gì nó bay đi từ xóm rằng.
You'll get another chance. Weapons free. Outside the safe zone. Enemy counter UAV inbound. Get a UAV on grid.
Marking target location.
Enemy UAV is online.
Hostiles have a field upgrade.
Starting in.
Break, Kimbo. In the team, car 982.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Täällä on ikinkin ahteen. Ai.
Hindi ko ang siguro. Saan maka-drone nandun?
Go get your revenge.
Pagi, move lagi corner sila.
We've got 10 squads active in the field.
Kung nga ba may guess ko.
Squads in the safe zone. Enemy soldier
Rocky.
incoming.
One more in it.
Up here in the ship. One in the ship.
Nga nga.
Requesting recon above. You have reinforcements inbound.
Well, I marked it. He's up there.
Heko, wala yung key eh. What the fuck?
Rifle redeployment. Your squad mate is
ก็ประตาทีมาจีอาแกงมาอยู่บอล
Oh, that's fucking crazy, like.
Buy station prices are adjusted. Station. Go
ว่าผู้เชียงว่าผู้เชียง
Get ready. Resurgence window is about to close.
Get moving.
You have reinforcements inbound.
I know he just hit the zip line.
Still have squad.
This fucking third party, fuck you.
Prices are back to normal. Time for leisure. You're redeployed.
Bye, mate.
No more second chance. Right there. Only 25 remain.
Oh shit.
Redeployed.
Right here. Bring back.
One at the top. Two at the top. Two at the top.
Capia ya kan mul. Patin ya. Yo.
Less than 25. We lost that one, but we'll get a W next time.
Em chơi thì
So like I don't feel like you was wrong, as long as you communicated it properly, right? Which I honestly just being transparent, like for me, obviously. I ain't gonna put you on blast in front of everyone. I'm gonna pull you to the side. You know what I mean? Yeah, that's where I went wrong. Oh no, I wouldn't have did. You would have pulled him to the side also. Yeah, cause I ain't gonna never make you look small. Cause like that's my little nigga. So like we only as strong as our weakest link. And guess what? If I make you look pussy in front of a bunch of people, that might create a situation for me because somebody try you or test you. Yeah. I ain't gonna never put you in a position where somebody where you open. You know what I'm saying? Somebody put their mouth on you and say they speak.
Assholes beat you? Fight back, damn it! Playtime's over.